In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a Wise account, on top of how you can send up to £200 completely for free, so without fees. Or if you don't want to send money, but you want to use it as your online bank, then how you can get a free debit card that is usually, I think, £7. It may be something higher or lower, I'm not entirely sure, but basically you will be able to get it for free. So to get either one of those things, you want to go and click on the link down in the description to download the Wise app. After doing that, from here click on Get Started, and then here you can click on Register. In order to register, just enter your email address right here and click on Continue. Then you need to check your email, so just click Open Email to approve and then select whether you use Gmail or the normal mail app. So you have an email that looks something like this. From here just click on Confirm Email Address. Then it will say Email confirmed, and you can now go back to Wise, and then you will see this. So then you ask, what kind of account would you like to open? So either personal or business. I will do personal. Then choose your country or region, so it's supported in most of these right here. Now it's unavailable in some of these countries, but most of them are available. Now for me it was set to the Netherlands, which is correct. So then just click on Continue. And now what can you do with Wise in the Netherlands? So you can convert and hold money, receive money, invest money, send money, and you can also kind of use it as a bank. So then just click Continue, and here enter your phone number. Now, after you do this, just click Done, and then you will need to enter some more details about yourself, such as your first and last name, where you live, and you may need to do some identity verification to show that you are 18 years or older and that you actually live in the country that you mentioned earlier. After doing that, you have successfully created your account. And then you can just get started with using Wise, so you can deposit money, you can request money and send money. You can also invest money, and you can just get started with using Wise. Now, whether you're going to use it to send money abroad or to order a debit card so that you can actually make payments, if you sign up through the link in the description, you will get a bonus, which is either that you don't have to pay any fees on your first £500 in transfers, or that you will get a debit card sent to your house for free, which usually would cost £10. So now you know how to create a Wise account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.